Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create apps, swimsuit, and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the dressing room and then you can wear the Sabrina Carpenter dress. You can go to the currency item and you're going to wear this item. Okay, and then I'm going to change the toggle. We're going to remove the kiss and we're going to choose the second toggle. Okay, and now let's move to the next location. We're going to wear this top from the petal update, and you can color it with your skin tone color. Okay, and it will create something like this. And wait, let me change the pattern of this item. I'm going to wear this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to color it pink. Okay, now let's move to this area right here, and then you can wear this top, and I'm going to apply same pattern. Okay, and we can wear this one as well to make it looks more natural. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a swimsuit and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.